Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and attention coach, Jeff Copper. Um, I did a video some time ago about, the hard realities and the need to admit what's hard. Because if you admit something's hard, you can give it the respect that it's due. If you're judging something as easy, like I need to be making a phone call, but it's easy and you're not doing it, you're really not acknowledging that it's hard. And I had a comment that I wanted to talk about. Somebody said that they're facing the hard truths, and the person said, I've come to the hard truth lately that I don't fight anymore, and that ADHD is difficult. I've accepted it and moving forward. And I think this is kind of profound because realize is that if you don't accept something, um, that maybe just return a phone call is not easy, and you're denying it, you're not giving it the respect it deserves. But that notion in the moment where you start saying, this is actually hard for me, you can actually then do something about it. Up until that point in time, you're really stuck. You're a slave to the belief that it's easy, and again, you're stuck. It might seem strange, but there's a lot of relief when you admit something that's hard, because you can actually kind of do something about it and address the issue. And this video is kind of subtle, but it's kind of like one of those things where I can explain it to somebody and they hear the words, but to really get the importance of this message is like, wow, if I could just acknowledge that ADHD is really hard, and if I'm not doing something, I probably should get some help. You'd be surprised at where you can go with that just little nugget. That's just that small change of mindset. So anyway, I hope this gives you pause to ponder, and think ADHD is hard. I probably should get some help. That doesn't mean coaching or therapy, but collaborating on trying to do some of the things that you're procrastinating on. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're an existing person, a fan, thoughts on this? Does this make some sense? Have you owned your ADHD? Are you admitting that it's hard? Are you putting the things in place that you really need to go forward? Also, if you like what we do, we certainly appreciate any type of contribution by clicking on the heart on the screen. With that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.